Okay, so this video is really simple and easy. You see, it's right now it's 1:15 in the morning, and it's really muggy out. And you can see the ground's kind of wet. I know, I'm sorry, it's a little dark here. You can tell by our tower. See that light blinking? Right there. That's because it's a little foggy out, so that light's a little blinking. Anyway, you can tell by the ground. I know it's kind of dark, sorry. But it's really hard to breathe. If you wake up in the middle of the night and if it's hard to breathe, believe it or not, it will take you less than a minute to actually breathe better. And all you need is to put on about 2 of these. Yep. Just 2. You will be breathing better with just 2 of these bracelets. And in less than 30 seconds or so. Yeah. And before I go, it's called radiation settling. I'll probably explain that later on in other videos. And yes, it does. It has to do something with radiation. And it's called radiation settling. I'll leave a video later. I'll make a video later and I'll link it like right up here. Okay? About how I understand how radiation works. And yes, radiation affects this as well. And right now it's settling down. Normally by now you should able to breathe really good if you are radiations or EMF sensitive. But because it's so muggy out and it's had a lot of moisture out, it actually take a while for it to settle down. So days like these, when it's muggy and it's, you know, there's no rain, but it's wet and it's muggy and it's cold, and you have a hard time breathing, that's the cause to it. And all you need is just 2 of these. And yes, you can breathe better with just 2 of these. Amazingly as it is. And yes, you won't find videos like this anywhere to explain something like this. I am the only one in the world that actually knows what's going on. And I'm the only one in the world that actually can explain it. And I am the only one in the world that actually can solve it. As simple as these 2 bracelets right here. So when you can't breathe at night, or even during the day, put 2, 3 on, even 4. Start with 2. In less than a minute, you will start to see breathing better. And especially after rain or when it's muggy. Okay? And yes, I will make that video up here later. And I'll link it right up here for you in other videos. But I just want to concentrate on this video to tell you that if you have breathing problems, all you need is 2 to 4. And put it on. And it's associated with radiation, in less than a minute, you will breathe better. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.